Ban tổ chức xin mời thí sinh số 01 đến từ trường Trung học cơ sở Trang Hạ, bạn Vũ Ngô Hải Anh.
And now I would like to welcome the first candidate for the secondary school, Vũ Ngô Hải Anh from Trang Ha Secondary School.
Let's welcome.
Hello everyone, my name is Hai Anh. I'm 12 years old. I'm a student in class 6C at Trang Ha Secondary School. Today, I'm very happy to tell you about my topic, the future means of transport. It is undoubtedly the case that cities around the world increasingly suffer from congestion, parking spaces, and environmental pollution. In fact, using the means of transport now causes the problem. Have you ever thought the future means of transport to show the one like me? Right, I'd like to share my opinion about this issue with you today. First of all, it's necessary to understand the definition of means of transport. The means which are used to transport products or people from one place to another place inside or outside a country are called the means of transport. Briefly, it means any vehicle that you can travel or carry goods in. We can deny the importance of transport, right? Transport is important because it enables trade between people, which is essential for the development of civilization. Means of transport, together with means of communication, are the lifeline of the country and economy. The world is developing rapidly, and means of transport play a vital role of development of the world. In the future, as a result, many interesting means of transport will be invented by humans. The innovation of vehicles must be in direct proportion to the environmental friendliness and national savings. Environmental pollution is a global problem. In fact, there are various types of pollution which are a threat to our lives on a daily basis. Thus, means of transport which are uses eco-friendly energies or are made from natural material will be the dream one. What do you think about a bamboo bike? The wonderful bike was born by a Vietnamese young man, Tan, with the idea for the bike frame. It begins a simple, joyful experience when you relaxingly ride your bike in pure and fresh atmosphere. It will be a unique joy if your bike is also a part of the nature. Riding a bamboo bike is not only eco-friendly but suitable for those who go for a short distance. Absolutely, they can strengthen their health by cycling too. I think the more we cycle, the more we protect our environment. The second means of transport I want to talk about is high-speed train. High-speed train forms the cause of high-speed railway system, which are a means of transport directly serving passengers. In order to achieve stable and safe operation, quality of high-speed train system combine high-speed wheel-run technologies, high-efficiency traction technologies, and high reliability brake technology. This driverless train will use solar energy and tank to super high speed. It will help you travel faster. You might think flying in the air cannot meet your high consciousness of safety, right? No, this high-speed train will do that. High-speed train offer you highly smooth trip, which have been certified after one person lifted his cone on the shelf of the window and witnessed its 9 minutes steady standing there. Moreover, this high-speed train will be minimize noise. Of course, it's environmentally friendly. According to many research by scientists in some high-speed countries, by riding the same long distance, carbon emission from the high-speed train is only from 15 to 25% of that from the car and plane. Therefore, to support the sustainable development of the Earth, traveling by high-speed train is better and beneficial to the environment we are living in. Last but not least, I want to mention the connected car. The car of the future will be fully connected with objects and humans. In order to be autonomous and make the right decisions, cars must be able to exchange a variety of information with the outside world. Traffic, weather, vehicle conditions, service station, accidents, etc. Eventually, through various sensors, it must be able to communicate with other vehicles, but also with the infrastructure. Road, building, parking spaces, and so on. So it's favorable condition to reduce the risk of accidents as well as optimize the parking lots. In addition, numerous online services will be available to the passengers. Wi-Fi, cloud, media, entertainment, and so on. In Pascal Bree's opinion, this involves a paradigm shift. Cars have become a celebrated place for service consumption. He says, just imagine a simple, joyful experience when you relaxingly ride your bike. This imagine a several-hour trip will become an opportunity to answer your emails, watch the latest film released in cinemas, or Skype a friend on the other side of the world. In conclusion, it is said that any means of transport has not only advantages but also disadvantages. It's essential to make the future means of transport modern, useful, versatile, and environmentally friendly. The choice of using some is ours. That's all. Thanks for your listening. Welcome to your question.
Testing. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. Well done on your speech. Let's give her a round of applause.
Yes.
I have questions for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. In your opinion, what is the definition of future means of transport?
The future the means which are used to transport products or people from one place to another place inside or outside a country. It calls the means of transport. Briefly, it means any vehicle that you can travel or carry goods in.
Thank you so much. I have one more question for you.
Okay, thanks.
What are the benefits of riding a bamboo bike?
Wow, I like your questions. There are a lot of benefits to riding a bamboo bike. First, it's more eco-friendly and lighter than other vehicles. The second, it will help you strengthen your health and improve your health by cycling too. But it's not only advantages, but also disadvantages.
Thank you very much for your time.
Okay.
I like your hair, girl. How are you doing?
I'm talking about.
How are you doing? How are you? Which means how are you?
How are you?
Yeah.
Right. I'm very fine. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you? Okay. So, what kind of transport do you think in the future will reduce the pollution in Vietnam?
Pollution. Our world is maybe connected car or high-speed trains because the bamboo bike. Oh, I think in the future in Vietnam has many eco-friendly means of transport, but also it will such as high-speed trains, bamboo bike, because it has many advantages to the environment we are living in.
Hello, hi, Anh. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. My question to you, Hai Anh, is what are the current disadvantages of the transport that we are using now?
The transport using now is carbon emissions from the transport using now is carbon emission of the transport we are using now is not loud. It's very high, so it's not good for the environmental we are living in. More, it will have traffic jam and cannot decrease the number of accidents.
And you know Vietnam has a lot of traffic problems.
Yes.
What will your solution be to solve these traffic problems and the pollution problems?
We need to development a means of transport now to lower the carbon emissions, or make the future means of transport to make a eco-friendly means of transport. There are so many solutions to make the means of transport in Vietnam much better, but the choice of using some is ours.
Okay, thank you.
Goodbye.
Cảm ơn bạn thí sinh đầu tiên, bạn Vũ Ngô Hải Anh đến từ trường Trung học cơ sở Trang Hạ.